And then kuthiwa ke and when they had nothing to be repaid, he freely forgave them both. So umbolekisi wabaxolela bobabili, kusho ukuthi ngamanye amazwi wacima isikwelede sabo bobabili, wathi anisankwelede, nalomunye wathi awusankwelede. So uJesu uthi ke, tell me therefore, which of them will love him more? Yayizwa manje, umuphi ozomthanda kakhulu? Yilo wemali encane noma yilo wemali enkulu? Ozothanda bani? Ozothanda umbolekisi kakhulu imuphi? Yilo oxolelwe noma ocimelwe isikwelede sakhe esincane noma yilo ocimelwe isikwelede sakhe esikhulu? So uJesu ubuza lo mbuzo lo ku Simon the Pharisee. Then Simon answered and said, I suppose the one whom he forgave more. So I suppose the one whom he forgave more. So kushuthi lo obekweleta 500 yabo denariyo uyena ongamthanda kakhulu. Uyabo ongathanda lo mbolekisi. Kushuthi uyu umuntu ongazwakala ethi, what shall I render? Uyabona? Uyu umuntu ongaba nale yanto ethi ngamenzelani kodwa Nkosi yami lo muntu, uyabona. Right. Then he turned to this woman and said to Simon. So uJesu wasaphendukela kulo wesifazane kodwa wakhuluma no Simon. Do you see this woman? Do you see this woman? I entered your house. You gave me no water for my feet, because that was a custom. Ukuthi umuntu makakuvakashele umnikezi amanzi okugeza inyawo. But Simon did not give Jesus water for his feet, but she, this woman, uJesu, she washed my feet with her tears. Wena unikanga amanzi, yena ungeze ngeinyembezi zakhe. And besati, and wiped them with her hair on the head. So waphinda wasula futhi izinyawo zika Jesu ngeinwele zakhe. You gave me no kiss. Kushuthi noma uJesu efika as a way of welcoming uJesu, you know, that kiss, that hug. Uti, you did not kiss me, but this woman has not ceased to kiss my feet since the time I came in. Right? You did not anoint my head with oil, but this woman has anointed my feet with this fragrant oil. Therefore, I say to you, her sins, which are many, is a sinner. But the Pharisee does not know that he is also a sinner, because his sins, they look so small. Lo mama, because ezakhe ziningi, uyena umuntu owaziwa ngathi uyisona. So uJesu uthi, therefore I say to you, her sins, which are many, are forgiven, for she loves much. But to whom little is forgiven, the same loves little. So oxolelwe kokukhulu uthanda kakhulu, nalo oxolelwe kokuncane uthanda kancane. So ngamanye amazwi uJesu sothi nginabantu ababili la endlini, omunye uxolelwe okuncane yingakho ethanda kancane, omunye uxolelwe okukhulu yingakho ethanda kakhulu. Lo thanda kancane azange ageze uJesu inyawo, akamnika ngamanzi, azange amkhisi, akazange anoint. So unezinto angazenzanga mara umphekele. yabona, so ukudla kona ukwenzile, so uthande kancane. But this woman has gone an extra mile, yabona, has gone an extra mile. Why? Because this woman acknowledges the condition yezono zakhe ukuthi ziningi kangakanani, so yingakho ethanda kakhulu kangaka. So ingakho bazalwane kaningi abantu abangazange benza izono ezisabekayo abavamanga ukuba dedicated kakhulu ekonzeni uNkulunkulu, because they feel ukuthi they are making God a favor, otherwise bona bekade bevele be right, but abantu babona begijima kakhulu, abantu abazazi ukuthi bebenjani, abantu abazi ukuthi i-condition yabo before bahlangana noJesu beyinjani, abantu abazi ukuthi if it was not because of the grace of God, if it was not because of the grace of salvation, ngabe bafile even emhlabeni abasekho, yabona. So umuntu osazi ukuthi kade emubi kangakanani uyena umuntu ongambona egijima better uma kufika endabeni yokukhonza uNkulunkulu, bese kuthi lo okade nje eyimvu yenkosi, I'm not saying all of them are like that, but all I'm saying is umehluko uyabonakala kakhulu esikhathini esiningi kumuntu owasindiswa ekade nje umuntu wayephethe kahle, lezono lezi ezidumile, ngoba njoba kuthiwa this woman is a sinner, kusho ukuthi bekenza izono ezidumile, bekenza izono ezaziwayo, yingakho uJesu ukhuluma ngalo yawesifazana abamletha kuyena kuthiwa bambambe right handed ephingile. So lo mama lo isono sakhe is public, is a known sin, kodwa laba bamlethayo banayizono ezifihliwe. Yingakho uJesu uma befika bethi umthetho uthi onje otholakale enje ufanele akhandwe ngamatshe, so wena uthini? uJesu uthi novele usho njalo, but help us, the one who knows ukuthi it does not have a sin, yena fanele asivulele indlela and cast the first stone. So kwahluleke ukuvela umuntu who was able to cast the first stone. Why? Because all have sinned. All have sinned, yabona. So ngamanye amazwi lokuthi akekho velile walahlitshe kusho ukuthi wonke umuntu soyazibheka athi but by the way I do have sin, but lezakhe zibukeka zincane mara deep down uyazazi, yabona. Kodwa uyakwazi ukujudge abanye abantu, uyakwazi ukubona abanye abantu ukuthi they deserve to be killed, kodwa yena ngokwakhe uzibona ngathi uright, uyabona. So ke uJesu na uthi ke osindiswe kokukhulu noma oxolelwe kokukhulu uthanda kakhulu. Umuntu otholakale ukuthi ube nezono eziningi ezipublic uthanda kakhulu uma ethethelwe kuzo. So ingakho lo wesifazana uJesu emkhomenda kangaka, emncoma kangaka ukuthi yabona njengoba lo mama enza lezi zinto azenzayo, upushwa ukuthi wazi ukuthi ubuyaphi, usindiswe kongakanani, uthethelelwe kongakanani. Kodwa umuntu obekade nje eseduze komnyango wesonto, onganazi into engako ezibonakalayo ukuthi is wrong empilweni yakhe, noma ekhonza uNkulunkulu ukhuthula inyawo, khona izinto angaboni ukuthi why should I do that? I mean, why should I sacrifice so much? By the way, bengasibhet kangako musu, bengivele ngiyibhethe engcono. So ke sikhuluma indaba yani laba salwane, siphethe indaba ethi uJesu uthi usithethelele amacala ethu. Silapho usithethelele amacala ethu. Yimaphi lamacala? Iziphi lezikwelete esinazo? So sibuka lokho manje ukuthi ke ikwelete zethu yiloko uJesu uNkulunkulu asenzele kona, ukuthi nje usidalile, ukuthi nje usindisile. Kodwa ke now the fact that you are saved, sekuyacounta ukuthi usindiswe ubuya kuphi, because uma ngabe usindiswe ubuye intweni ezinkulu, ungenza okukhulu for God. You can sacrifice abantu baze bakwatela ayisuka wena sewenza ngathi inkonzo iqala kuvela ngawe, uyabona, because bakhona abantu abanjalo. bakhona abantu bazalwane othi wena uzwa ukuthi yazini I am owing God. I don't know what shall I render to Jehovah. Abanye abantu ba-criticize bakudiscourage bakutshela ukuthi manje wena sewenza ngathi ukukhonza kuqala ngawe inkonzo kudala ikhona ukusindiswa kuveli ngawe kanti wena uyayizwa lento ukuthi manje hey labantu abangazi ukuthi ngibuya abazi ukuthi uThixo ungilande kuphi uyabona abazi ukuthi ungisindise kuphi abazi ukuthi nganginjani abazi ukuthi if kahle angangisindisa lesikhathi angisindisa ngazo ngabe namhlanje angikho angithi yabona so ke mara abantu nje bekade beyiphethe kahle nje bona ufobona like as long as ngiyenkonzweni yabo yingakho nje even now bazalwane even now abanye abantu nje fobona it's not really a big deal ukuthi enkonzweni akusayiwa it's not really a big deal kwabanye abantu abanandaba nje ngoba wayevele ilovela ngisho so it's fine ingakho njengamanje uthole isizathu esikahle sokuthi aphile normal ngoba man lento kuyenkonzweni yayo uyayenza but ngama spare time so kumncedile somehow mara kunabantu bazalwana okuthe noma kuvaliwe inkonzo yaqhubeka ekhaya kunabantu inkonzo yaqhubeka einhlizweni zabo yaqhubeka bazalwane they are doing things for God even ngesikhathi lockdown why because bayakhumbula ukuthi hey la ngikhona namhlanje akusilanga ngikhona izolo and I cannot afford to go back to where I was no yabona so ke i-effort umuntu ayifakayo iyasho ukuthi do you realize ukuthi uNkulunkulu kwenzela okungakanani ukusindise from kuphi uyabo so the sense of death in our lives lokho kwazi nje ukuthi uNkulunkulu kususe kuphi it brings motivation for you to be devoted to God kuyakusiza kuyakunceda kuyakupusha ukuthi ukube nezinto ozenzayo practically ezibonisa ukukhonza uNkulunkulu uyabo and also kuyakusiza even indlela ozo relate ngayo nabanye abantu it also helps ukwazi ukuthi isikwelede sakho kuNkulunkulu besingakanani kuyakusiza futhi ukuthi nawe ukwazi ukuthi urelate kanjani nabanye abantu ingakho izolo sifundile iverse uma uJesu ebathuma abafundi bakhe ebathuma kuMatthew chapter 10 uverse number 8 athi ke heal the sick athi cleanse the leper athi raise the dead cast demons out bese athi freely you have received freely give lokuthi freely you have received kusho ukuthi kahle yinini esenekweletu because what we have is of a high value but you got it for free so uNkulunkulu uthi uPaul bazalwane lencebo sinayo ezitsheni zebumba sinengcebo ezitsheni zebumba yabo so lokuthi sinengcebo ezitsheni zebumba so kuyasiphusha ukuthi we must do something ngalezi zinto uNkulunkulu who us entruste ngazo we are now stewards of izinto ezikaNkulunkulu so how we relate with others it counts yabona it counts a lot ukuthi ke si relate kanjani nabanye abantu ngenxa ukuthi thina senzelweni uyabona usenzeleni uNkulunkulu so sibona lapha ku Matthew chapter number 18 Matthew 18 verse 21 to 35 uthiwa la then Peter came to him and said, Lord, how often shall my brother sin against me and I forgive him? Up to 7 times. And Jesus said to him, I do not say to you up to 7 times, but up to 70 times 7. Wow. Asibuyele kulombuzo kaphe, how often shall my brother sin against me and I forgive him? Up to 7 times. No, I do not say to up to 7 times, but up to 70 times 7. Therefore, the key, we are going to like we just is raising the bar. But now, why just akhuluma lento? Because Petro, because naye he was forgiven. He was forgiven. ushintshwe igama because he was Simon, but now he's Peter. You know, ushintshwe igama because he was forgiven.